Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to dye sublimate one of our A4 textured chopping boards using a flat heat press. This tutorial can be used for all of our other chopping boards as well. On screen now is a list of items that you'll need to complete this task. Once you have all of these, we can move on to the steps. Step 1. Design and print. Download the free Sublimation chopping board template from our website, which is available after purchase. Then create your design on any design software and export it as a PNG with a transparent background, and make sure to print this design not mirrored, as we're sublimating onto glass, which means the design doesn't need to be flipped. Step 2. Preheat the press to 200 degrees for 300 seconds with a light pressure. We're doing 30 kg. Step 3. Lint roll the chopping board to remove any dust or fibres. Place the rubber feet to the side as we stick these on after sublimation. Then preheat the board for 10 seconds, as this helps with preventing uneven heat distribution and potential fading. Number 4. Align the design on the back of the board and secure tightly with heat resistant tape. Step 5. Place the board in the press between two Teflon sheets with the design on top and start the timer. Step 6. Using heat protective gloves, remove the board and allow to cool completely, as it's super hot. Step 7. Carefully peel off the tape and stick on the rubber feet. It's then ready to use. That is just how simple and easy it is to make your own glass dye sublimated chopping board. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give it a like and tell us what you'd like to see sublimated next. Follow us on social media for more sublimation tips and ideas. See you in the next video. Bye!